KoogluPooglu. Hello friends, today we're going to learn about how to make a My First Day of School poster with basic shapes. So first we're going to learn about the shapes. So first is oval. Next one is rectangle. And you might see these in a window. Of course, it's a square. And you might see in some houses a half circle window, or you can normally call it a semicircle. Or you can use a triangle for a roof on your head, or that would be weird. Or you live, where do you live? Of course, in your mommy's heart. And here's a rhombus, commonly known as a diamond. And star, if you remember the video of the star. And last one is circle. So, here is one example. And so, here's the first you have to write your name and then first day of what grade and how many years old you are, and then make a house. So, first make these shapes. Get your craft paper and then make these shapes, and then what do you want to be? Your school name and your teacher and today's date. So now this one is gonna be mine. This is what I made. So first day of school, and if you want, you can do it on a blank sheet of paper and then draw everything and then color it in, instead of using craft sheet. Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.